Looking for a place in Bedok with easy access to public transport that is near the beautiful Bedok Reservoir? Well, today, I have a stunning 2-bedroom high-floor unit with 721 square feet of space here at Belvia 748B Bedok Reservoir Crescent. I'm Emily from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division, and let's check it out. When you step inside, you'll be greeted by our spacious living and dining with plenty of sunlight streaming in through the balcony. It has been stylishly furnished with homey cove lighting, smooth tiles with a mirror-like shine, and beautiful brick and forest-themed wallpaper that adds to the unit's stunning aesthetic. Our living room can easily seat a large sofa, and when you want a little privacy, just use the frosted sliding door. The kitchen has a sleek and clean design, with beautiful cabinets and a built-in oven. It has been designed efficiently, with ample storage. The sheltered balcony that offers you a breathtaking view of the surrounding neighborhood and nature. Our bedroom has a spacious squarish layout for easy configuration, with full-width windows, cozy cove lighting, and a built-in wardrobe. The master suite is spacious and well-lit, with a cozy combination of soft grey walls and wood flooring to create a relaxing ambience. It can easily fit a king-size bed with full-height built-in wardrobes and comes with a pristine ensuite as well. Bedok North MRT is under 10 minutes walk away, providing easy access to the downtown line. This unit is also near to the PIE. For food and shopping, the popular 58 prawn noodle and mincemeat noodle is just downstairs, as is Reservoir Village. You can drive southeast to Bedok Mall or west to Reservoir Shopping Center at Eunos. During weekends, you can enjoy a host of activities at the beautiful Bedok Reservoir, from jogging to fishing, hang out at Home Team NS Bedok, or even challenge yourself at Singapore's only treetop obstacle course, Forest Adventure. For families with children, prestigious schools such as Red Swastika, Chongjen Primary, and Unna Primary are all within 5 kilometers of the unit. Thank you for watching our home tour of this beautiful unit at 748B Bedok Reservoir Crescent. If you are interested, do contact me, Emily from AAG, at 9000 and 90232 to find more.